A flower is the reproductive structure of a flowering plant, angiosperm, and typically consists of several distinct parts that work together to facilitate pollination and fertilization. The main parts of a flower are as follows. Sepals. Sepals are the outermost part of the flower and are typically green in color. They protect the developing flower bud before it opens and often form a protective structure called the calyx. Petals. Petals are usually colorful and are located inside the sepals. They serve to attract pollinators, such as bees and butterflies, with their bright colors and sometimes fragrant scents. Collectively, the petals are known as the corolla. Stamen. The stamen is the male reproductive organ of the flower and consists of two main parts. Anther. The anther is the top part of the stamen and produces pollen grains, which contain male gametes, sperm cells. Filament. The filament is the slender stalk that supports the anther and positions it for pollen release. Pistil. Carpel. The pistil is the female reproductive organ of the flower and consists of several parts. Stigma. The stigma is the sticky, receptive surface at the top of the pistil where pollen grains land during pollination. Style. The style is a slender tube that connects the stigma to the ovary. Ovary. The ovary is the enlarged basal part of the pistil that contains ovules, female gametes or eggs. After fertilization, the ovary develops into a fruit. Ovules. Ovules are the structures located within the ovary that contain the female gametes, eggs. When fertilized, ovules develop into seeds. Receptacle. The receptacle is the thickened part of the stem to which all the floral parts are attached. It supports the entire flower. In summary, a typical flower consists of sepals and petals that protect and attract, respectively, the reproductive organs, the stamens and pistils. The stamens produce pollen, which is transferred to the stigma of the pistil during pollination. If fertilization is successful, the ovules within the ovary develop into seeds, and the ovary itself often matures into a fruit. It's important to note that the structure and arrangement of these parts can vary among different species of flowering plants, leading to a wide variety of flower shapes, sizes, and colors in the plant kingdom. This diversity is often a result of adaptations to different pollinators and environmental conditions.